Introducing Wireless Door Chime Kit for top-level security and peace of mind at home or work. It comes with a total of 2 receivers, 2 transmitters, sticky tape, a doorbell tag, and a small user manual and screwdriver. So, this doorbell can be used in any home, office, or factory. It can reach up to 1,000 feet. Wow! So now you will never miss a guest in the waiting room or have someone in the door for hours. Just a simple interface, waterproof IP55, and a do-it-yourself installation, and have this doorbell in any area you want. It's really easy to do the full setup in just 10 minutes. Well, it's a 3.2 by 3.2 by 0.85 inch. It requires an AC power supply plug with 55 chime option, available from 0 dB to 100 dB. It has 3 buttons in total. First is volume button with 5 levels. Second is previous chime, and the third one is for the next chime. It also comes with a nice LED indicator. Wow, it's cool. Let's test it out. So here is a high-quality speaker. You must plug the AC power. Let's do this. Wow, it sounds good, really great. It has a 5-level volume. This is level 1. This is level 2. This is level 3. This is level 4. This is level 5. Wow, quite loud to have 1,000 feet area covered with this sound. Okay, this second button is for the previous chime check. Great. You know it comes with 55 chimes and they are all incredible. Okay, third one is for the next chime. Okay, cool. Now look at the smooth ABS plastic body transmitter. It's well designed. Okay, simple step for pair. Let's select this ringtone and then press the first and third button together, and then you only have 5 seconds to press any one of the transmitter buttons to pair. There we go. Now it is set on that chime. So now if you want the other transmitter to ring with a different chime tone, you can pair with the same procedure. These 2 transmitters can be set up with different tones to let you know at which door your visitors are waiting. It also comes with a smart blue LED flashlight. Okay, now let's insert a battery in the transmitter. First step is to open this transmitter with this screwdriver. Yes. And place the single 12-volt 23-amp battery in this, and then we will close it. Now we can ring the bell. So now I can know that this is ringing the bell. It measures 1.3 inch by 2.9 inch with waterproof IP55 that you can attach near your door or your place with the double-sided tape. It's really very easy, right? And the one most important thing is the battery life. It is good for 12 to 18 months, and you have an 18-month warranty also. That's it. Enjoy!